guys, this is Ace King 21 TV. Welcome to my blog. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tap the notification bell for future videos. Right now we're going to do an unboxing and short review of helmet. Ito yung Shoei Glamster. This is famous for sa mga bikers natin because ito yung parang may retro style, retro look. Tapos nandun yung quality because it is made by Shoei, yung world famous company pagdating sa helmet. Okay, let's start. Ito yung box. Open na natin ha. So the first thing you will see is a pin lock. Pin lock, ito yung pang anti-fog para yung mga nagmamarilaki dyan hindi ma-storbo yung vision nyo pag madaling, pag mga 6 AM yan. Ride. Okay, so kung nakikita dito is we have yung manual. I think chin guard yata tawag dito, yung sa ilalim nilalagay para reduce noise. Tapos meron siyang lubricant para sa mga mechanism. Yan. Okay, hindi na natin ito. Yan. Okay. And here is the helmet. Shoei. Okay, buksan natin, antay natin yung dust bag. Good thing about Shoei, it comes in 5 years warranty. Yan. Okay, here we go. Yan. So, naka-sticker pa yan. So, we will do a 360 degrees. Yan. Okay, ano yung mga features niya? Yun na, yung nabanggit ko, may pin lock siya. Actually, nakakabit na sa loob. This one. Yan. So, pwede mo na ilipat kung may iba kang shield. Yan. Tapos, meron siyang both sides, meron siyang vent for easy breathing. Meron din siya dito. Optional. Pwede mo i-open, pwede mo i-close. Tapos, meron siyang emergency red tab. Yan, meron siyang emergency red tab in case may untoward accident na kailangan tanggalin ng yung nag-attend sa inyo para makahinga kayo, para to avoid more injury. Pupul lang to. Yan. Okay. Tapos maganda sa kanya, maluwag yung space para sa earpads pag meron kang cardo, yung communication. Yan. Kakabit mo lang, tapos detachable yung cheek pads for easy wash. Yan. Tapos it only weighs 1.2 kilograms. Yan, 1.2 kilograms nito. This is pulse out gray. It's large but it comes in extra small up to double XL yung size niya. Yan, ganda, di ba? Retro. Yan, good quality. Made of fiberglass, by the way. Yan. I guess I've covered everything. Ito yung buckle niya, retro style din. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. We'll see each other again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe, guys.